Saudi Aramco, materials handling. Apply the following safety precautions when moving, handling, or storing materials at Saudi Aramco facilities or construction sites. Site storage. 1. Ensure adequate firefighting equipment is available and accessible in the storage areas. 2. Stack, rack, block, or otherwise secure any materials stored in tiers to prevent materials from sliding or falling. 3. Stack lumber in piles that do not exceed 4.8 meters (16 feet) in height if the lumber is handled manually, or 6 meters (20 feet) when handled with equipment. 4. Stack and block structural steel, poles, pipe, bar stock, and other cylindrical materials to prevent spreading or tilting. 5. Store materials on shelving rated for the load. Store small items in bins that are marked with their contents. 6. Post the safe loads and maximum stack heights allowed on racks. 7. Do not stack materials on racks shelves to a height that interferes with fire protection sprinkler system capabilities, i.e., impedes the sprinkler head. 8. Maintain storage areas and walkways free of obstructions and debris. Keep aisles free for safe movement of materials handling equipment and personnel. 9. Provide ramps or grading to ensure safe movement of vehicles in storage areas that have multiple levels. 10. Post any warnings associated with hazardous materials stored in the location. Provide CHB's SDSs of all hazardous materials stored. See the hazardous materials safety topic for additional information. Manual handling. 1. Use tools lift assist devices whenever possible. 2. Follow the 4 key practices for performing a proper manual lift: a good grip, a straight back, steady feet, arms close to the body. 3. Avoid any extreme range of motion and twisting your body when lifting. 4. Minimize your reach and the distance any load is carried. 5. Minimize the weight of any loads by using mechanical aids, balancing the contents, etc. 6. Keep objects as close to the body as possible. 7. Consider your physical limitations when performing tasks that require manual handling of materials. 8. Seek assistance when performing tasks that may be beyond your capabilities. 9. Store heavy materials that are required to be lifted manually below waist height. Handling tubular goods. 1. All personnel not assisting in the operation must stand clear of the loading-unloading area. 2. Conduct land-based loading-unloading on level ground wherever possible. 3. Drivers must check in with the person in charge upon entering the facility, work area, or well location. 4. Properly secure all loads during any truck-trailer movement at the loading-unloading location. 5. The carrier is responsible for providing sufficient load securing equipment, example, chains, straps, and stakes. 6. The driver is responsible for positioning the load on the trailer and braking the load. 7. Follow proper guidelines for loading, checking, and unloading pyramid or stripped loads. 8. For pipe removed in bundles, the pipe must be bundled slung in approximately equal loads. 9. For pipe removed with S-hooks, caution must be taken to ensure the S-hooks remain engaged. No more than 4 joints are allowed to be picked up at any one time. 10. The loading and unloading practices for onshore operations are applicable to offshore operations. The captain of the marine vessel is responsible for the positioning, space, and weight conditions of the vessel.